Done. Okay, guys. I think what's left now it's for me to share my screen. I'm about to share my screen now. Just make sure that everything is okay before I start sharing the screen. I think everything is okay. Share your screen, start broadcast. It's about to start broadcasting, and then now I think screen is sharing. Okay, there you go. Let me see, guys. Were you in the lesson where I gave this as a quick classwork to be done after we have done an example? Ivy and Sam, were you guys in the lesson where this was given out as a quick classwork to quickly be done and submitted immediately after completion? Were you guys part of the lesson?
Yes, I remember doing this activity. So
Okay, then it's fine because I will need some answers on this one. So, okay, maybe let's check for question number 2.1, which says in the diagram below KMN, it is a right angled triangle, and you are advised to use the diagram to complete the following trigonometric ratios. So let's go for 2.1.1. What did you guys get as your answer for that one? Whoever's got an answer, you can just go for it or mention your name, or we'll see how to work it out. But whatever
so the
that
first
you've
one,
done.
so the first question, sir.
Mhm. Some
Sir, you take the cos of n, you take the opposite over the hypotenuse, sir. So it's, I think, n over k.
n over k. What we know is that cos it is equals to adjacent over a hypotenuse. So one thing for sure, k, it is indeed the hypotenuse. But in a situation where now n, it is our reference angle, n, what is therefore the adjacent? So if we have a right angled triangle like that, and then we've got our angle there, and then we have that M, N, and then K there. Which side is our adjacent? Is it K? Is it N? Is it M? Which side is adjacent?
Sorry, sir, my mistake. I meant to say m over k, so that would be the right answer. M is actually the opposite, sir. You see, so m
Yes.
should be the
So this
adjacent.
should be M over a K. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before we move on to the second one, let me quickly check if the other honorable member is on the same. IV, are we okay on that one, or do you have any questions on that one before we move on to the next one? IV, are you with us? Okay, IV says okay. Then it's fine. Let's go on the second one, which is sec M. What would therefore be the answer for that one? Based on what you've done, what is it that you're getting as your answer for that one? You can go for it, or mention your name, or whatever the case may be. So in case if you haven't worked it out, this is therefore the opportunity for you to very quickly work it out. Guys, are you working it out or is it difficult?
So just looking over something real quick, sir.
Or still working it out? But are you guys winning there, or is it something that you are still working on?
So I've got now what it is now. So
Okay.
so sec is the opposite of cause.
Yes. Meaning?
So meaning you have to reverse the formula, sir. So instead of saying adjacent over hypotenuse, you say hypotenuse over adjacent.
Okay.
But
Which
so for
is?
me, like serve, or you could either say 1 over cos theta instead, sir, if you decided to do something like that, sir.
Yes, no, that's correct. You can still do that. And the quickest way to go about it is this way, where you just swap. But now, is it done there?
No, sir. So m, sir, the hypotenuse is k, sir. And for I know, is it wait, let me yes, it's k. Then you say k over how do you say this again? You say k over m, sir. Sorry,
K
sir.
over N.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me check if IV, do you have a different answer? K over M, okay. IV, okay. So let's check it out. If you have this, so now you've got K there, you've got N, you've got F there. What you need to do is to know where is your reference angle. Remember, the side which is opposite the 90 degrees will always remain as the hypotenuse, so that doesn't change. But what changes is whether the angle is there or if the angle is there. So for this, can you see the angle is at M? So that means this is where the angle is. Then the side which is opposite to your reference angle, it is the one which is your opposite. And then this will be the obvious side being adjacent. So it makes that correct, it makes that correct. I'm not sure if you understand IV, because the main thing with these things is just to check if you can easily be confused. Otherwise, if not, then you're going to survive. But it's just a game where you could fall into the trap of either being confused or not. So now let me check. Yes, I get it. Goodest. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Being now they are saying it's equals to m over n. Yes, what will therefore be that one? But why is it like I feel like we haven't done this one. I think, yeah, I've given it to you as something to do. I don't think we've done it, unless if that's when I did it when I want to mark for the ones who submitted. Okay, then it's fine, honorable members. Let's look at that one, work on it, and let me know when you've got an answer for that one.
So, excuse me, so which one has you work out?
2.1.3.
So that would be 10 of M, I think so.
A ton of M. Okay, maybe before, let me check if the honorable members got the IV ton. Okay, but wait, what did IV say? Ton? No. IV, it's going to be wrong if you just say ton, because it has to be ton of a specific angle. Because now, what if it's ton of K? What if it's ton of N? What is ton of what if it's ton of M? What did you say there, Sam?
So I say 10 of M, sir.
10 of M.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see on that one. So if it's tan of M, that means the angle is there. Remember, this side we've got small m, small n, that is big K, big N. So if we have tan of M, it has to be opposite. What is the opposite of that angle? It is small m. What is the adjacent? It is, okay, no, this one is correct. This one is correct. Let's see, what is it? Okay, yes. So, you are correct on that one. IV, do you now understand why we had to specify and say tan M? Did you see the reason why before we move on to the next one? Let's see. IV, I will need your response on that one to if you understand what happened there. Why did we have to specify the angle while we, so we are now on 2.2. I'll be waiting for you IV to just confirm for me on that one. Otherwise, if you've got some questions, you will then let me know. Okay, so we are now on the next question, being 2.2. Quickly work it out, and then from there, we will also discuss that one.
So for this one, so I don't really know how to calculate this because the external angle here is 42 degrees. So I assume that the interior angle would be 48 degrees. And at the bottom here, it's 90 degrees. So you just like divide it and what also do you do with the 700 meters? So?
The question now will be, what is it that you will be calculating for?
So we're calculating for PQ, sir. The length. I mean the height.
The height. Okay. PQ is connected to which triangle?
Sorry, sir, could you repeat again?
So I was saying a PQ is connected to which triangle?
Shit. PQ. So there's a right angled triangle at Q, sir.
Yes. So that means you can end up having a right angled triangle which is connected to PQ. So can you not use that right angled triangle in order to calculate?
Okay, so I'll try that.
Yeah, something of that nature. Try something of that nature. Uh, okay, I think I've got something interesting. Let's see, how is it going there, honorable members? Are you winning or is it a bit tricky? Let me check if.
So
Mm-hmm.
it's a bit tricky, sir, because do you still incorporate that do you still incorporate that 700 meters, sir? But for me, like the degrees of like the measurements, it's different. So I'm wondering if you still put it together or what do you like actually do? Because I know like
Because
the way forward, so but the degree, I mean the units, the units of measurement are not the same, sir. So I'm wondering if you still put it in the same formula.
Wait, on that one, what did you say about the units? What did you want to confirm about the units?
So on top of this, it's 4 degrees, but at the bottom it's 700 meters. So do you still like put it in the same formula, or because of the disease, because the degrees, I mean, the units of measurement are different to you? Like, you have to
So,
do a certain process before you can get to the answer.
because on that one, the best way to think about it is to say, when it comes to anything that has to do with right angle triangle, you have two things. You have angle, which is measured in degrees. You have size, which are lengths, which may be measured in millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometer, whatever the unit. So that means you've got two different things of which you will expect to deal with those in different units. So trust me, Sam, it is not that much complicated, this one. You are only confusing yourself on that one. Maybe the reason why it may be confusing is because it is given as a sketch representing a scenario. But let me put it to you this way, to say you have a right angled triangle, you have 700 meters, there being that side of QR. So that is the length of QR. What you are looking for is PQ. What did you say this angle is? You said it's 48, isn't it? So that means what examiner wants you to calculate, it is that side. So now, why can't you use tan of that angle 48 degrees? Because what we know is that tan is equals to opposite over adjacent. Then you calculate your adjacent, you are done. It is as easy as that. So that means the 4 marks comes from you saying that 90 degrees minusing that 42, where you get 48 degrees. That's where your first mark comes from. In order for you to calculate that inside angle, which you said it is 48 degrees. This one, it's a distance, Sam. Remember, when dealing with right-angled triangles, you just need the side and an angle, or two sides. You can calculate the angle, whatever the case may be. But you shouldn't be confused about this being in degrees, that being in meters, because it's a length and an angle. The units won't be the same. I'm not sure if you get me on this one, Sam, but I'm sure you see that you were confusing yourself there.
Yes, sir, I see. I see.
Yes. Okay. Then it's fine. It is fine. It is fine. I will then give you this last problem to work out, and then I'll be continuing with the other honorable members. So on your side, you can leave once you've taken this screenshot. You work it out, and then you submit, and then I will look into that, do the corrections on my site, mark for you, and then I'll post in the channel. So let's see. Ivy and Sam, can you guys then take a screenshot of these and go work it out as I continue with the other honorable members?
Yes, sir, take one now.
You've taken a screenshot, ne?
Those I'm still in the process.
Oh, okay. Okay, then it's fine. I think in the meantime, let me quickly go get my charger, because this thing is going to die very soon. So I'll be back. You guys take some shots. Hey, magazine. Where is my USB cable? Let me go check it in the car just now.
So how long do we have to submit the answers? No, it's fine.
Okay, sengitholile manje. Sengitholile. Let me just connect. Might rotate this. You see, now it's on 10%. I will then continue with this rotation. You might need to rotate on your side. This is just so that the side of the charging point is on the side of the charger. Okay, I hope now we can continue. And let's see. Okay, IV. It's fine. I hope you also took a screenshot of that. Then it's fine. I'll continue with the other honorable members, and I've given them something to work it out. And this is it. And the results of that were out. I just want to check. Anesu, Augustine, and Nova 9. Did you guys see the results of these that I've given to you? Did you see the results in the channel? Or you guys were not able to see the results in the channel? Guys, did you see the results in the channel?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions for me there? Did you notice your mistakes? Anything that you're wondering as to how to work it out? You may have not calculated it correctly and you are wondering how it was supposed to be done.
No questions on my side, sir.
Hey, did you get the highest mark there?
No, sir.
But you noticed your mistakes.
Yes.
Okay, then that's very good. Anyone else who may have noticed their mistakes? Anyone else who's got a question on that one? Guys, any questions up to this point? Okay, then it's fine. I'm just going to make an assumption that it was clear and you did notice your mistakes on this one. Otherwise, if you need a memo, please do let me know but it's easier to access the memo because there's an honorable member there. I just forgot who that was. I think it was Mendlonke, who has done a memo for this question. So my advice and encouragement would be, can you guys please then go through that memo and check vis-a-vis with what you guys have done, so that you are able to distinguish the difference. And then in case if there are any challenges in understanding the difference, then you let me know, then I will clarify. That's how we learn, honorable members. You need to make sure that you go through some scripts, it could be a memo, whatever the case may be, and compare with what you have done to notice the differences or the similarities, and then try to interpret those. So that is a way in which you can check the memo. Only if you are having some challenges, then let's discuss. I think in addition to this, there is something that I've just added now. And let me quickly check if it is going to open. Otherwise, if not, I'll try to open it again. And then very quickly, we try to work this out. Still adding this image. Okay, then it is fine. And then go again and check. Okay, and it's fine. I just edit this image now, unless if I have to hotspot this device, maybe it will download instantly. Let me do a hotspot. Okay, I'll do that. And then open that one there. No, I think that was misled. And then let me go back to this one to try and open and check. Okay, it still hasn't. Okay, then it's fine. It looks like I might need to just redraw these, while on its side it is still downloading the image. Okay, then it's fine. I will just have to redraw that, and then we'll ask or we'll answer the questions based on that. So what I'm having there is question number 7, which actually says, in triangle PQR, it is equals to 3 units, and then we've got PR, which is equals to X units, and then we've got PQ, which is equals to 2X. And in triangle PQR, angle Q, it is equals to theta. Let me check this image. Okay, still not yet in. Then it's fine. And then I will draw that triangle, which is, maybe let me start it there, then do it that way, then do that. Then I will have P there. I will have R there. I will have Q there. And then I will have 2x there. I will have that x there. I will have 3 there. And then that theta, it is there. So the first question being question 7.1, they say, let's see, show that cos of an angle, it is equals to x squared plus 3 over 4x. Yes, that is the first question. Maybe let me move this one to create some space there. That one is question number 7.1. And then now, question 7.2, they say if x is equals to 2.4 units, then we have 7.2.1. They say calculate theta, and then 7.2.2, they say calculate, now they want you to calculate area of triangle PQR. Yes. Yes, this is question 7, honorable members. Let me check if you guys are able. Actually think might need to just remove this because it will just cause some confusion. Okay, so let's see, guys. Are you able to see this question? Are you able to see, all of you, this question that I had to manually write? Let me check. Guys, are you all able to see that question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then it's fine. What happened now? What happened now? Okay, so this one, let's also work it out. I think this one, we can work it out together, and then if necessary, I will then give you another exam type of a question that you can do for practice purposes. And then after you've done it, in case if you need for me to check what you've done, I will then do so and make it for you. I think I'll post it in the channel, or I will post it on this so that you'll also be able to work it out while you're looking on the screen. But otherwise, I hope everything is clear on this, because I am confident that everything it is as it is on that photo, which is not downloading. So you guys can go ahead and try to work it out, and then from there we will discuss what answers you are getting, what is it that you are unsure of. Yes, okay, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, something very much important. I think it is the marks. Yes, I almost forgot about that one. And this one, it is allocated 3 marks. And this one, 3 marks. This one, 2 marks. Yes, those are allocations of the marks. Okay, so you guys can now work it out or work on it. Okay, I'm getting some messages from others indicating that they are experiencing some network problems and recommended that I record these lesson. Okay. Let's see, guys, are you working on it? What's happening there, honorable members or members who are honorable? Are you guys working on it there? Guys, what's happening there? Are you working on it? Which is what I'm hoping that it is the case. Let's see. Guys, are you working on that one? I hope everything is clear there. Yes, the screen is sharing. Let's go to unmute. Guys, are you working on it? Yeah, okay. Okay. Then it's fine. I'll give you guys enough time to work on that. Okay. I hope you guys are still working on it. Remember, as soon as you get an answer, you can unmute and then make me aware that you've worked it out, or comment in the comment section. Do not give the answers, but just say 7.1 completed, 7.2.1 completed, 7.2.3, no, point 2 completed. In that way, I've got an idea of how far you've gone, and who has gone that far. That's all that I want at this point in time.